Dark matter is a tricky one. If I could give you a firm answer to what dark matter is, I'd be rich and famous. We don't really know. But we think there must be a lot of stuff out there that we can't see and we can't really detect. And so we call that dark matter. And the reason we think there must be all this stuff out there is because we think we understand gravity. Gravity makes things orbit around other things, makes the Earth orbit around the Sun and so on. And so when we look out in the universe, we can look at how things are orbiting, and from that we can work out how much mass there is that it's orbiting around. So by looking at how long it takes the Earth to orbit the Sun, we can work out what the mass of the Sun is. But when we look at very distant things, other galaxies and so on, when we watch how things are orbiting around galaxies and how galaxies are orbiting around each other, there seems to be too much mass. When we work out how much mass there is there, there's a lot more than we can see. There's a lot more than we can see in all the stars and the dust and the gas. And we think that must be this stuff called dark matter. And we don't really know what it is, but there has to be a lot of it. Probably about 5 or 10 times as much dark matter as there is normal matter, the stuff that makes up us and stars and so on. So it's a very important question in astronomy and in science as a whole. And a lot of people around the world are trying to find the answer. And when we do, you will hear about it.